Hi everyone, I wanted to give a brief tutorial about Padlet so you all knew how to use on your own. So trying to be as transparent in my process as possible. This is what the Padlet home dashboard looks like. And just FYI, there is a limit of how many Padlets you can build. In the free version, it's like 19 or 20 or something. So I just delete my old ones so I can keep using the free version. But it's very simple. You can just create a Padlet, and I'm going to walk through creating ours so that you can see. Um, these are all different organizational structures that you can use. I really like Shelf because it helps keep the process organized. And here are your options. So I'm just going to show you really quickly what some of these look like. You can change the name. You can add fun little icons that depict what you're doing. You can change the appearance of what the wallpaper looks like and the fonts. So there's a lot of fun choices for you to make. Most importantly, down here, attribution. This matters if your students have an account. If not, and you'll see on ours, it will all post anonymously. I like mine showing up first. You can give the option for people to comment, and reactions is fun, like social media. People can get likes or hearts. When you use with students, you can require approval, which would mean you get to, you have to say yes before it posts publicly. And filter profanity is really nice if you have those children that like to push the boundaries. So those are some of your options, and then you can start posting. So what does that mean? I'm going to click and post our first question: what is formative assessment? And then you can see it will give the plus button here. That is how people will respond. So that is just an intro to how to build a Padlet. And on the other side, you're going to be working like a student would in ours once this is completed. I hope this is helpful.